Hey guys, welcome back to our craft video. So today we'll be making this cute beautiful dog. So outline the hands of a kid, make its eyes, teeth and the tongue, color it and your dog is ready. Next, take a green sheet and draw the lines on it like this. Now cut it out and paste it over a wooden cardboard sheet like this. Now take a white sheet and put it on it like this. Put some clays on it of different colors. Now using a pen and a pencil, we will make the leaves and the branches and it's ready. Next, take the earbuds, break it and paste it like this to make the flowers. Draw its stems and leaves. Now make a honeybee using a yellow color clay. Make its eyes and its body and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a yellow color paper and cut out the circles from it. Now take yellow color paper strips and stick it around it like this. Paste another paper over it. Make the clouds and your sun is ready. Next, take a green color paper cup, make a hole in it. Now make its eyes. So here we are making an octopus. So taking the paper strips, we will make its legs and it's ready. Next, we will take a red color paper cup and cut it like this. Cut it from both the sides. Now remove the unwanted part and then number it. So here we are making a wristwatch. After numbering it, we will make its minutes and hours hand and fix it using a pen like this. Fix it and press it from the back like this. And then we will decorate the wristwatch and your watch will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a green color paper cup, cut it like this. Now we will remove the parts. Now make the frills to make the petals. So here we are making a beautiful flower, decorate it and it's ready. Next, take a pink color paper cup, cut it from the top like this. Now make the frills out of it and fix it into each other. So here we are making a hat and after fixing it, we will decorate it and it's ready. Further, we will take a red color clay, put it on the white sheet and spread it using the fork like this. Take few more colors of clay and spread it in the same manner. Now make their eyes and their beaks. Now make their legs and the branch of the tree on which they are sitting and your birds are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take different colors of clay like this, put it on the white sheet and spread it using the fingers in the same manner as shown in the video. Then we will put some more clays. After that, we will make the flowers on the top, decorate the cactus plant using the white balls and your cactus trees are ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.